This video shows drilling down for top SQL statements from days to hours and minutes and the SQL text and execution plan for the chart data. For the time being, as you can see, I am retrieving the SQL text and execution plan for the plan handles retrieved using exec request DMV and some filtering happening after the plan handles are retrieved. For the time being, since I needed data, I am inserting the rows retrieved by the query, and I end up in my table with duplicate data. But in the future, the SQL text and the execution plan will be stored to different tables in order to avoid storing the same execution plan or text for different plan handles. Once I will store that data in those tables, I will replace the data grid displaying the text associated with that plan handle with other controls, which will display aggregated information about that plan handle together with the execution plan in either a graphical way or as text by using code I have for displaying the execution plan and the code I have for comparing text. I will use some code used there for coloring words to color specific SQL operators in the text representation of the execution plan. The drill down from days to hours and minutes seems to be the best way of narrowing down to the time frame for which you want to troubleshoot. Next post will cover the addition of other charts that will display other info for the data displayed in the main chart. I will replace the data grid with a dynamic dashboard. If you remember, is that dashboard that is made of another 12 small charts. I saw that most of the vendors provide more info in a list of charts, but for me, I believe 2 dynamic dashboards, meaning a 24 charts and a 6-row, but 4 columns will be more suitable to display the information we have for that instance from the disk latency perspective, I/O perspective, or whatever data we will decide to record in the future.